Hello and welcome to your one mindful minute. Today we're going to practice together the savoring breath. Begin by finding a comfortable position and allowing your eyes to close or your gaze to soften. Follow your breath just as it moves naturally in and out of the body. As other thoughts, memories, sensations appear in your awareness, simply note them and come back to the breath. After a few rounds of natural breath, begin to place a small pause at the top of the inhale. Feel yourself floating at the top of the breath and savor that sensation of fullness. When you feel the call to exhale, do so, releasing fully. And then at the bottom of that breath, pause again, savoring the sensation of release and letting go. Repeat this, pausing at the top of the inhale, savoring the sense of fullness, and then again pausing at the bottom of the exhale, enjoying the sense of release and letting go. When you're ready, you can let go of that breath and simply return to a natural inhale and exhale. Now enjoying the sensation of the breath rolling in and out of the body. I hope you've enjoyed this one mindful minute practice.